Can you introduce yourself? My name is Alrex P. Hunas from Bulao Cluster. Grace Mission College, Katiningap, Socorro. I'm 27 years old. Number 1. The Teacher Conference for Student of Education. Learning about it process improvement of student access to experience with technology information learning of material student focus education professional with 15 years of demonstrate experience in helping students to learn and achieve academic success through teaching skill combined with excellent knowledge of subject content and solid understanding of connecting. Number 2. Skill of the teaching information of learning community processing effective of skill development for students. Exceptional ability to establish cooperative, professional relationship with parents. Staff and administration team oriented education professional with a passion for teaching the subject of biology, friendly and approachable when helping students on an individual basis with daily assignment and research project maintains and safe, organized and comfortable classroom. Number 3. Plan the support of teacher skill for student. Professional educator with diverse experience and strong track record fostering child-centered curriculum and student creativity and static English teacher with a strong dedication to not educating the student and on the principle of courage level writing, analytical reading and Asian literature eager to help students become excellent in the subject. And number 4, teacher the learning about in time for education experience. Passionate educator with entry-level experience teaching English to middle and high school student, skill in delivering engaged lesson facility the learning about learning of successful and dream life. Number 5. How are actually teacher information of successful and dream life? Dedicated teacher with solid grasp of the English language in breadth of knowledge regarding literature, reading, writing, public speaking, and debate, highly organized with the talent of design and develop comprehensive learning program and implement student engaged technique that motivated and inspire student. Number 6. Teacher the time of first skill level of education system. Understanding literature and language in both spoken with writing from committed to implementing the highest standard of instruction and helping each student achieve success in meeting of exceeding the academic requirements in English language arts proficiency. Number 7. Dedicated teacher with technology years of experience delivering advanced English. Modern teaching methods and capable of implementing media and technology into the classroom to introduce students to new subject and facilitate the learning process and able to nature supportive relationship highlighting scholarly work show that you are active in the academic community and stay current with educational development also provide concrete evidence of your ability to conduct research and communicate finding effectively.